Train your daughter so well. She get the gravy. She get the gravy. She buy the Jollibee. She have the gravy refilled. She punch the credit card. I'm just a supervisor right now. That's it. So this is the beef bulgogi that we're gonna eat on the side. Let's go here. I'm full already. Oh my god, I need to stop eating. So I went to the gym. I lost 2 kilos. No, it's not. Okay, let's try bulgogi. Okay, try this first. Oh, I like the egg. Walang chopstick. Dapat na. Ang rating ng beef ay para siyang tapa. Filipino tapa. And this is the kimchi. I like this kimchi.
Ang rate ko dyan, because I already tasted, 10 out of 10. I don't know, 9.10 out of 10.
Kasi nga, it tastes like beef tapa. Parang gusto kong bumili ng chicken poppers. So pagkatapos ko magpakahirap, running.
Sabi mo, hindi na nakakain eh.
Sa US ko na gagawin yun.
May idea tuloy ako. Diba kumuha ka niyan?
Ay nako, ikaw bahala ka, gugulin mo pa yung buhay mo. Hindi nga sila pair. Oh my gosh. So you're so stuck.
Try, collaboration.
Okay, variation. Sometimes variation, if you have a direction, you don't have to confuse yourself with variations. But you can try, sure. But not all applicable sa life. Because sometimes curiosity will lead to sin. Ano daw? Ito yung inisip ko kanina sa sauna. Curiosity, confusion will lead to sin. So avoid confusion, avoid curiosity. And I'll dip it here.
Ilang lasa? Mami,
Parang gusto ko pang order ng
kamyon.
ng poppers or ng chapchae. I know chapchae is nice, but sorry, I like spicy. I'm a spicy girl. Because I'm a Pisces. Ano daw? Spicy nga to eh. Na, yung powder kasi sobra. Yung powder ng spicy chicken. Ang konti ng ano, ang konti ng
Grabing Jollibee na. May 20 din sila eh.
ang konti ng ano, kimchi. Pero kasi, mahal ang kimchi actually.
Ang sa tingin mo, tatagal ba yan o hindi?
Matagal. Kailangan maraming tatagalan.
Ang sarap ng tignan, no?
Which is masarap naman talaga. Tsaka affordable siya kahit pa paano. Gusto ko magkaroon dito is Mang Inasar. Puno to ng Mang Inasar. Pag may Mang Inasar dito.